Nilight 60001SB LED Pods 2PCS 18W 1260LM Spot LED Off-Road Lights Super Bright Driving Fog Light Boat Lights Driving Lights LED Work Light SUV Jeep Lamp, 2 years warranty. Super Bright Spot Beam. High-quality LED chips emits bright white light. Concentrated spot beam illuminates to further distance and lumen is 1260 LM. Adjustable mounting bracket. The pod can be adjusted to about 45 degrees, which makes changing direction of light beam easier. Better heat dissipation. Special designed die-cast aluminum alloy cooling fins effectively extend the lifespan to over 30,000 hours. Waterproof rate. IP67, waterproof up to 3 feet of water for 30 minutes and effectively dustproof. Package include 2PCS 18W LED light bars and mounting brackets. This product is the universal fit. It fit all the vehicles.